we have to realize that we are microbial. We interact every second and every day of our life with 100 trillion bacteria and many more microbes that are present on our skin and at every site that are exposed to the environment of our body, our mouth, our nose, our lungs, our urinary tract, and our digestive tract. At birth, we are exposed to microbes, and the first weeks and months of our life are very special in allowing our development as a mix of human cells and microbes. Are those microbes good for us? Yes, our microbes are now, as we call it, the microbiota. They exert many beneficial functions. They help us degrade and assimilate food. They provide vitamins and small compounds useful to our human cells. They directly protect us from environmental microbes, and they also interact with our tissues and organs, including immunity and the brain. Overall, we provide home, we provide food to our microbes, and in return, they provide protective functions. It's an exchange with mutual benefits that we can see as a symbiosis. Can there be problems? Well, yes, of course, and in a way, science has been telling us for several decades already that in many chronic diseases that are more and more frequent over time, we see that our relationship with our microbes is degraded. Our microbiota will have an altered composition, but also we may have a leaky gut, favoring inflammation and oxidative stress. We are microbial, and it is the relationship we have with our microbes that matters most. Now, there are features maybe that would define a healthy microbiota. We have to be quite humble, especially as what we studied the most is microbiota composition, and it may not be the best way to describe the healthy microbiota. But we do know of some features that we typically see in the microbiota of healthy individuals and that tend to disappear in disease. The diversity and richness of the microbiota is one of those. It's typical feature associated to health, and conversely, atrophy of the microbiota, which is most frequent in modern societies, seems to promote risk of disease and a weaker response to nutritional diet or some treatments. Microbes able to degrade plant fibers and to produce butyric acid are also crucial and beneficial as we see it today. We even have evidence that some microbes could have therapeutic potential and become someday new treatments to eliminate diverse symptoms. So, what should we do to preserve a functional symbiosis to maintain health and quality of life? Well, we should think natural and global. We want to expose our babies to a rich world of microbes in early life, when the symbiosis is under construction, and as adults, we want to preserve our microbiota richness and host features of a healthy gut. We need to feed our microbiota well, and especially with diverse colored plant-based foods that provide fibers and polyphenols.